Thanks for coming back. It's so good to see you. So today we're going to be opening up Medusa'S makeup box. If you don't know anything about this box, it is a monthly subscription, runs $16.95. No additional taxes, no additional shipping charges. It is vegan and cruelty free and usually includes about 4 full-size products. So let's open it up and see what they sent me. I am loving the box. The black, the pop pink, the pop purple. They have a card included. I'll actually leave the card for later as a recap. Save the date. They have a VIP birthday box coming in August, and this is their brand. It is Glam Rock Eyeshadow, color Hot Love. Oh wow, and look at that. It is like a beautiful pink color. This is $9. So it's a beautiful light pink, barely there. It's nice. It's okay. It's very understated from Medusa. Usually I'm like, wow. But this is like, you know. The Medusa'S Witch Lash Electric Blue. This runs $12. Ah! The spoolie's in there. What? Oh no, that is horrible. Disposable one. Wow. Oh, look at that. I got it. So that's the color. That's what it looks like. The consistency is very waxy, so it doesn't glide on effortlessly. Makes my lashes look like a whole bunch of spiders. And I don't know if it's because I'm using the spoolie stuck in there and there's not enough juice for a glide on, or that's just the how the product works. It looks like it's a highlighter. Close. Is that yellow? Pat it down. Ooh. Cut that cheekbone. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know about this pink and gold, but separately, I am holy moly. It's like a yellow gold, which I just think is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love this highlight. It's so crazy because it looks like it's white and then you just smush it and then it's like this color, just killing it. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, Medusa, I am a fan of this highlight. What? And I'm usually like, I need a highlighter. This one, I need it in my life. And this is $12. Metal AF Lipgloss. This runs $11. Fade to black. A little nervous. Whoa. It looks like a gunmetal gray, like silver. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Yeah, it's like a silver. It doesn't smell good. It smells kind of chemically, actually. Goes on super smooth. Ooh, I like the glitter in there. It's like so cute. Like my lips look a little ashy, but like silvery at the same time. It's an interesting combination between the eyeshadow, the lashes, and the lip gloss. I'm not mad at it, but it's interesting. So this is Fade to Black. Interesting. So that was everything in the box. It had a total value of $44. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll actually leave a link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.